a way to buying a way to buying goods and services and not paying for them until later. In the ancient time, people can be use barter system. In a barter system, goods are directly exchanged without the use of money. And double coincidence of bonds, when both the parties will be agree to exchange each other commodity, is called double coincidence of bond. Modern form of money. Modern form of money including currencies such as paper notes and coins. Why we accepted money as a medium of exchange? Because it can be authorized by the government of India, and it can be reduce the need of a double coincidence of a bonds. There are two types of formal sectors of credit. First, informal sector. Second, informal sector. First, formal sector. Formal sector consists of banks and cooperative society. The rate of interest is low in formal sector, and in the informal sector consists of traders, friends, relatives, etc. The rate of interest is high in informal sector. Banks can be required in the formal sector. Bank can be required collateral and other documentation, but in the informal sector, the relatives do not require any document requirement. Collateral is an asset that own borrowers, lands, vehicles, livestock, buildings, as used as a guarantee until the loan is repaid. The role of a RBI, the role of a RBI to issue the currency on the behalf of central government. The RBI supervises the function of a formal source of credit. Periodically, the bank have to submit the information to the RBI, how much they lending, at whom, at what interest rate. And another topic is social help groups. In the social help group can be established in the rural areas, especially for women. The basic idea behind the formation of the social help group is to create employment on the rural areas, especially for women. In the group, 15 to 20 women can be come together who belonging to the neighbor, and who come meet and save money regularly. If he work regularly, after 2 or years, it will be eligible to take a loan from the bank.